So you know those moments when you can't find the right words to say? Every time that camera goes on, I get nervous. But the thing is, the question is, do you need a lot? Sorry, I gotta go back.
I told you how ghetto I look from behind. You're like, let me take a behind photo.
I used to feel like that all the time, but especially when it came to social media. I'd finally be ready to post on Instagram or Facebook, and then I'd get completely stuck. I know the struggle of writer's block, but then a crazy thing happened. I started following a very cool system to writing my social media captions. I learned these really cool tips and tricks from an awesome copywriter, and she's sharing her secrets in this month's issue of Social Curator. In this issue, she's giving us a cheat sheet to always writing engaging captions on social media, and I know you are going to love it. Okay, so like always, this monthly social media subscription is just $25, which includes an awesome action plan that we just spoke about, 30 stock photos that you can use on social media, and 15 caption templates to help you customize effective status updates that guarantee your followers are talking back to you. I'd love for you to download this month's issue of Social Curator, and if you have any questions, join me in the private Facebook group. This month, you're gonna have a chance to get your Instagram account critiqued by me, so I hope to see you there.